What's up guys, Eric Oakley here. I'm here to take part in the Disc Golf Pro Tour's Dialed In with Bushnell Rangefinder Challenge. I have my Bushnell rangefinder and we are going to be throwing 5 different distances: 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 feet. The goal here is to try and throw it as close to those distances. I have 5 shots at each and we'll total them up, and the difference will be my score at the end. If I have a low score, I'm shooting really well. So let's get out there and see what we can do. All right, so the discs I have that I'm gonna be using for this challenge are, I have some Wardens, EMAC Truths, Felons, duh, Explorers, and Raiders. Feel like I can tackle all these distances with these discs. See what we got. 100 feet, here we go. I feel like those are coming up short. That looks better.
You still had 25 seconds.
Okay.
All right, they're kind of scattered. 34 yards.
Oh, that was perfect.
35 yards. 50. 50. 50. Dang it. 51. 55.
Round 1. Getting used to it. Now we're going to 200 feet. A little shy. That one glided out. Ooh, that's a little low. Stay up, baby. Oh, that's terrible. Slide. Slide.
59.
59, got it.
63. 69. 71. 79.
It's going for 300. Got a tailwind, so might as well stick to these Wardens. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Good slide. Why am I releasing it so low? That's better. That is on it. Maybe long. But I think that's good.
76. 83. 98. 110. 107.
All right, bumping up to the EMAC Truth, trying to go 400. Oh, that hurts. Still out there.
That's why.
That one's good. Black, baby. Go, tailwind, go! Last one. Might be more. That's too far. No, stop gliding!
113. 118. 124. 127. 132.
All right, 500 feet using the Raider. Now we do. Don't hit the tree. God dang it. Nowhere. Well, walk right there. Stays up, it's really good. Very sweet. That's gone. Just turn. Pullers forward. Is it possible?
96. 125. 148. 166. 162.
So we got pushed out by the rain, but we wanted to give a wrap up. All in all, super fun time. I don't think I did as good as I expected, but that's a part of it. You know, when you don't have a actual target to throw at, it's really, really difficult to just go based on feel. A couple of them I thought I threw really good and I was super long, or I came up way short. So love these kinds of challenges, and thank you so much for the Disc Golf Pro Tour and Bushnell for putting something like this on, getting involved in disc golf, and just kind of making some amazing things happen. I know that we're gonna see a lot of benefit from this in the future. So please make sure you guys are following both Bushnell, the Disc Golf Pro Tour, here on Whale Pants as well. Yeah, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one, and be dynamic.
Woo, baby.